Hello students, I welcome you all to my spoken English channel. Students, today let us see main verbs. So already in the previous video I have given a detailed explanation of regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now today in this video we are going to learn few more verbs, right? So regular, as I told you, divided into V1, Vs, V2, V3, V4. Even irregular also V1, Vs, V2, V3, V4. Now these two V1, Vs we are going to use in the simple present. V2 it is used to express simple past. V3 in the perfect tenses and V4 in the continuous tenses. That we are going to see in the future classes. Now let's see. Add, adds, added, added, adding. Look, when it comes to regular verbs, you have V2, V3, regular ending, that is ed and ed. Got it? Allow, allows, allowed, allowed, allowing. Believe, believes, believed, believed, believing. Belong, belongs, belonged, belonged, belonging. Call, calls, called, called, calling. Carry, carries. Have you noticed here? So as I told you that in the previous video, in the VS you have S ending, V1 plus S, sometimes ES and ES. To few verbs you have ending IES. So here to the carry you have IES ending, that is carries, carried, carried and carrying. Okay, same way delay, delays, delayed, delayed, delay. Now if you see this one also, dry, dries, IES, dried, dried, drying. Earn, earns, earned, earned, earning. Enjoy, enjoys, enjoyed, enjoyed, enjoying. Students, if you found this video helpful, just show your support by liking this video. Now let us go to irregular verbs. Now in the irregular verbs, here V2 and V3 you don't have the regular ending of ed ending. So you have, it is totally different. Like think, thinks, thought, thought, thinking. So in the regular you have ed ending, but here you don't have any ed ending. Throw, throws, threw, thrown, throwing. Blow, blows, blew, blown, blowing. Build, builds, built, built. Sometimes you have the V2, V3 same, like thought, thought, built, built. Whereas in some cases it will be totally different. Okay. Choose, chooses, chose, chosen, choosing. Send, sends, sent, sent, sending. Drink, drinks, drank, drunk, drinking. Drive, drives, drove, driven, driving. Ride, rides, rode, ridden, riding. Rise, rises, rose, risen, rising. Right, students, I'm going to give you few V1s. I want you people to write VS, V2, V3, V4 in the comment section. Okay. Students, I have given here V1, that is swim, weep, stick, hold, borrow. Write down in the comment section, that is VS, V2, V3, V4. And students, if you found this video helpful, so consider to like, share and subscribe for more content.